The most important thing in life is family. Family is commitment to each other, especially when the going gets tough. Family means responsibility, providing support when needed the most. And there's no family like the Ram family. The Ram family isn't just school spirit. It's a community where you belong, grow, and achieve your wildest dreams. It's a support system you can't even imagine, built of students, faculty, staff, and alumni. It's a culture filled with blue and gold pride and commitment of the highest caliber. It's where we excel, where we have fun, where we grow, where we empower each other. And like a true family, the Ram family has your back. We are with you every step of the way, and we will stop at nothing to help you succeed. There is pride and power in the Ram family. And once you're in for life.